Hello?
Ahoy, Tina!
Who is this?
Patchy, the pirate.
Oh, I don't know any pirates anymore. Are you sure you have the right number?
Hey, listen, us bad soul sisters gotta stick together, eh?
Sure.
Great, because I'm throwing a huge telextravaganza for SpongeBob SquarePants, and I'd love it if you'd come down and sing a song for us.
Well, I'm not much of a singer, but I love SpongeBob.
This time you've gone too far.
You missed! Now you got! Now you've done it. This is a step in the right direction.
What kind of a pirate wears a hairnet?
The same kind that wears a kiss the cook apron.
Well, you never know, Potty. I might get lucky. You hear that, ladies? Patchy is available.
Now I feel sick.
That's it, you feathered snake! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it was all a hallucination. Encino's still gone. Ooh, a sandwich. Potty, you're a lifesaver. At least I know they'll never be able to replace me.
Quack! Looks like they already did.
What? They let a smelly, hairy flea bag like that serve food? Customers love me cooking. Why, we're almost out of doggy bags. Oh, Potty. What am I doing wrong?
You just need some practice is all.
Be a dear and record it for me, would you?
Oh, I do that old Betamax machine in the garbage.
You what?
Oh, calm down, Beauty.
Do you know how important this cartoon is to me? Do you mind? I'm trying to talk to my parrot!